Welcome to Paradise Resort Gold Coast and our standard junior bunkhouse room located in Cleo's castle. Let the adventure begin! Cleo's castle is situated along Burt Avenue. It's a short walk from reception and our main facilities. With only 8 junior bunkhouse rooms available, they are highly sought after. Suitable for up to 4 guests, these rooms have a queen-size bed for the adults and a brightly themed bunkhouse area for the kids. The bunkhouse features a set of single bunk beds, small desk and a TV so the kids can tune into their own channel. One baby cot can also be added in the main room for babies up to 2 years of age, or you can bring your own. And although our rooms at Paradise Resort are hotel style, they are not equipped with a full kitchen. However, you will still find a small bar fridge, kettle and complimentary tea and coffee sachets to make your stay more comfortable. In the bathroom, you'll find a bathtub and shower all in one, plus other bath and body products including bath towels, a hairdryer, hand soap, shampoo and body wash, which will all be replenished as part of our daily housekeeping services. These rooms are also fitted with an air conditioner in the main room, as well as a small fan in the kids area to help beat that Gold Coast heat, along with an iron and ironing board, plus a balcony with tables and chairs. And to top it all off, all guests can sit back and enjoy complimentary Wi-Fi, so you can edit and post all of your favourite holiday snaps while relaxing on your balcony.